All right. Good morning. Trader 007, what's up? How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? All right, I need to get this shared real quick. Chat, give me a second. Get everything shared out. Put it on the Twitter sphere as well. Bang, bang. Bang, bang. Chat, as a reminder, Nasdaq has all the futures have rolled. So if you trade Nasdaq, MES, ES, MNQ, whatever, everything has rolled. So make sure you're on the right contract. Make sure you're on the right contract. Nasdaq just chilling at all-time highs once again. All-time highs. I mean, it's just an absolute ripper. Absolute ripper, chat. My goodness. All-time highs. Kay is in the building. What's up, Kay? Happy Monday. How are you? Hope you're well. Hope you're doing good. Hope you had a fabulous weekend. Absolutely fabulous. Holy shit. Chat, the Nasdaq, bro. What do you do with it? Huh? What do we do with it? What do we do? I mean, we're just at all-time highs. I mean, how do you even trade this? You can't go short because it rips all-time highs. You don't want to go long because you're at all-time highs. It's the hardest area to trade. The absolute hardest. It's crazy. Crazy. Nas is showing no signs of slowing down. Taking a look at news here. Hold on. Let's take a little look at news. Let's take a little peek. We have nothing today. Trump speaks later today, but really nothing. I feel like the market is really going to be gearing up for CPI, or not CPI, FOMC. FOMC on Wednesday, which I think we can all expect. I think everybody's pretty much expecting that there's going to be rate cuts come through. But market feels like it's going to be gearing up for FOMC. On Wednesday, How do you change trading view? What do you mean? Change trading view? Like the contracts? Under futures. So if you click on, actually here, hang on. I might have to move my screen so you can see it. Hang on. So like, see how I have E-mini Nasdaq futures here? Just click on that, and under futures tab, type NQZ 2025. Or if you just type NQ, you can click the drop down here. That's how you change it. What up, Bo? How you doing, G? How you doing, bro? Bro. Chat, if you haven't already, be sure to hit that like button. It helps more than you may think. Makes all the difference. More than you may think. Chat, I don't know about you guys, but I've been having like allergy or like something. Like there's like ragweed or in the air, pollen. I don't know. But my eyes have been on fire. So my eyes look red. That's why. My eyes are on absolute fire, bro. I don't know what is going on. Like anybody else, bro? Just moving to a new house and there's a bunch of thick woods behind my house trying to clear it out. Oof. Good luck with that. Holy. A little bit of selling up here. Little bit of selling. Yo, the best looking ball guy in James Discord has arrived. Holy moly. Wait a minute. Gee, we're going to have to settle this debate, dude. We are going to have to settle this debate. Chat, if y'all don't hit the like button, I'm going to come find every single one of you. I will do it. I will find you. I have a very particular set of skills. So y'all better be hitting that like button. We need to start off Monday on a high note and hit that like button. Maybe I'll make the jump and get on live with you. I think you're going to have to. I think we're going to have to. I think we need to settle it once and for all. What up, Dwayne? We're doing good. My chat, I'm gonna need eye drops or something, bro. My eyes are like actually on fire. I don't know what is going on. Okay, I'm gonna see if I have some eye drops. Chat, hang on, I'll be right back. All right. I have eye drops, chat. Pray for me because this is probably gonna suck. This is probably gonna suck, chat. Holy. Holy. Oh yeah, it burns. Oh man. Yep, that burns. Holy. Chat. Ow. Ow, ow, ow. I was watching Luna last night. He wants to do a 24-hour stream. Would even try to get viewers on. Yeah, I'm gonna redo mine because obviously I had to we couldn't do it. Oh man. Roto eye drops? No, this is just Visine. However you say it. Oh. Redneck, what up? Oh, chat, I forgot. Also, we have Edgeful coming on this week. Coming on the stream this week. Forgot to tell you guys that. On the 18th, we have Edgeful coming on. They're gonna be popping on the stream here. It'll be on the 18th in the afternoon. Edgeful will be coming on to walk through some stuff. Look at Nasdaq just ripping back to all-time highs again. I mean, there is nothing slowing this thing down, bro. Absolutely nothing. Okay, I think these eye drops are starting to work, chat. Holy. Holy, man. My eyes, dude. I don't know what happened. I woke up this morning, chat, and my eyes were like, it felt like literally just like they were literally on fire. I don't know what's going on. I feel like there is like a bunch of ragweed in the air or something, or pollen, or I don't know. Something has been kicking my ass, though. Chat, what are we going to do with the Nasdaq right now? What do we do with this? I mean, how do we trade this? I don't want to long this. I don't want to long Nasdaq. I also don't want to short it. Gold is ripping. Why is everything ripping? Probably have to do with the rate cuts, maybe. I don't know. I don't know. $300 off that opening range break. Nice. Nice. Chat, I think I'm gonna switch to StreamYard for streaming instead of OBS. That way I can bring on guests more easily. Because we gotta get Luna on, we gotta get Krista on, we gotta get a bunch of people on here. I want to bring on some like viewers too. Like I want to do some cool shit. So we're gonna switch to StreamYard probably tomorrow. That way we can bring people on. Joey, did you see the fees for Tradeify Project X? The fees, like the commissions for Project X? Redneck, we do have cool viewers. We do. What are the commissions for? I haven't seen them. Are they higher? Are they higher than the Tradeify with Tradeify? I haven't seen them. I know Tradeify, the fees are, the commissions are a little bit higher than most like other firms, but here's how I look at it, chat. Like with the commissions, unless you're going for like 10 tick trades or something, you're not really going to notice or feel the commissions, right? I mean, even me, like when I trade my personal account, like my personal account commissions are more than prop firm commissions, right? Like for one NQ mini, I pay like $5 round trip. So in and out $5. Right. So I pay more. So like I don't really even on my personal account, I don't feel it because I'm not taking like 10 tick trades. I'm taking 10, 15 points on the NAS. So on a $300 winner, right? I'm banking $295 off of it. On a $300 loser, I'm losing $305. So I'm not really feeling the commissions. You know what I mean? And that's the same for like Tradeify. Like even though the commissions are higher, you don't really feel it because you're not taking those such small trades. Unless you're taking like 20, 30 trades a day and it's really small trades, you're not going to feel it. Now, if you are taking 20, 30 trades a day and small trades, you are going to feel it. But my personal account is way more, and I don't even feel it. So I don't think it's a huge issue. Which actually, chat. Speaking of Edgeville, I need to reply to them real quick. Hang on. Let's see. Andrew, what up? How you doing? Trade ES and commissions hurt me. I switched to minis over micros because my strategy is based on a 2-point move. So they can rock. Like, yeah, I mean, if you're taking 2-point moves, yeah, I mean, they're going to, yeah, I mean, commissions will hurt you. They'll take a bite out of your trading for sure. Enrique, hola. Hola. Nasdaq just grinding higher, chat. Grinding, grinding, grinding. Holy moly. Holy moly. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Ah, bien. Bien, bien, bien. Oh, man. Chat, Nasdaq, bro. Holy. Holy. I wonder who's going long and more weird who is going to counter that long. I don't know. I don't know, man. I don't know. Nasdaq getting into the 500s here. It's like, how do you even long this? I mean, just wait for just long any pullback you get. Long absolutely every single pullback, chat. All right, we're gonna get some weakness up here in the 500s. Now do we sell? Do we pick the tops now, chat? Holy. Who's picking tops? Who is it? Chat, I think I have allergies, bro. I think my allergies are flaring. I think that's what's going on. Because I've been sneezing. My eyes are on fire. Oh, Nasdaq gonna rip back up here. Nasdaq gonna rip back up again, chat. We're gonna stay above 500s. What's it going to take for this market to tank? That's what I want to know. For the market to tank, what is it going to take, bro? Curious. Nasdaq trying to battle here at the 500s. We have a battle at the 500. The 500 battle. My strat showed, but I didn't even have enough confidence with it this high and settled for 1 point, but that's still 1K total across the account, so I'll take it. Hey, there you go. There you go. Oh, man. Yep, Nasdaq trying to see a little bit of weakness up here. We'll see if it holds. I don't know if it'll hold, chat. I don't know if it holds. Sellers trying to get a little aggressive. If you think about it, though, like, why would we sell now, though? That's the thing, though. It's like, why sell now? 500 weakness? Is that what it is? Just getting weak at the 500s? Like, this is really, like, this type of PA, even though we're getting good moves to the upside, like, I mean, price is moving, it's still really hard PA to trade, because it's like you have no levels up here. You can basically rely on psychological levels, and that's it, like 500. But there's no real levels up here, so it's just tough to find key areas to trade. Super tough. It's at 493 right now, Bo. Make sure you rolled your contracts. The contracts rolled. There's more volume on the NQZ contracts now. It's because we're on the December contracts, bro. If y'all ever want to see like how much volume is on contracts or which contract has the most volume, just go to bar chart here, it's barchart.com. And you can see like here it shows the volume on each contract. What's happened to my trade of 8? There we go. Chat, I'm taking a short here on the NAS. I like the weakness trying to come through here. Taking a little short. Back below 500, getting a little weakness. I think we can catch a little bit of a move down. Just a little bit. Maybe. Maybe. All right, pop on down here. Pop down. There we go. Just need a little bit more move here. Don't want this level to hold. We want a little bit more move down. And then we'll take some off our position here. Taking 5 off. So 5 micros off there. We still have 10 micros running. We'll see if we can get more of a move down. There we go. See if we can pop 79. Get a 79 pop. Be sitting really good. I don't want to see it bounce off 79, chat. Holy. Oh, we don't want to see it bounce off 79. No. No. We don't want to see it. Come on, Nas. Keep getting weak here. Keep getting weak. There we go. Keep on selling. We got to get below 79, chat. Below 79 would be ideal. But I don't like the hold here, right here. Don't like this hold, chat. Just trying to make one more attempt here. See if we get the move below 79. Okay, getting a little heavy. Come on. Give us the move below 79 here. It just will not, it will not send it. For whatever reason, we are holding that 79. There it goes. Okay, taking 5 more off there. I got 5 contract. The rest of my 5 micros are running now. So we're gonna try to let these 5 go. They're moved to break even too. I train the old contracts? No, I'm trading the MNQZ. Kevin, yeah, I'd recommend rolling to December. It has the most volume. I still have some of the other contracts on here. I can take them off, but I'm trading NQZ. I'm gonna go ahead and take this position off, chat, and just secure that bag there. That way we can just continue to lock in. Did not mean to do that. Just to lock in profits. I don't know if this is gonna continue lower. We're on a mega uptrend right now. So I don't want to overstay my welcome on a short. So we're just gonna keep that locked in there. You know, I guess you don't, I guess TSX has that option. Tops, if you're using TSX, they automatically roll. Those contracts will automatically roll for you, Bo. All right, so we locked in low profit. We're up just under $200 there on the personal account. Wasn't a huge trade, especially for taking 15 micros. Wasn't a huge one. Better than a loss? Yeah, 100%. Bo, then the contracts, I guess they didn't roll them yet, which they should. Let's see, hold on. How do I see the old? So yeah, you can see it right here, chat. Here's the volume for the NQU, which we just came out of, 24,247. The NQZ has just a little bit more open interest, or more volume rather. So that's why you should be trading the December. Oh wow, that's a odd candle. The volume is kind of the same. I mean, there's not really a huge difference in volume. So I guess technically, if you wanted to, you could get away with trading the NQU. There's not much of a huge difference. There's a little more volume on the NQZ though. So, but they're roughly the same. But if you guys ever wanted to see like which one has the most volume, just go to barchart.com and you can see which ones are trading the most. It'll help you out. Well, it's nice to at least start the week green. I mean, we are green on the day so far. I don't know what the rest of the day holds. We're going to try to see if we get another opportunity here. But it's nice to start off green. There's a move back to the upside here. Pretty strong one at that. We might be going back to the highs here, chat. Might be going back to the highs. Glad I killed my position. I was very counter trend on that short, so I didn't want to overstay my welcome, but we were able to capture something. 007, what up? What up, what up, what up? Nasdaq trying to move back to the 500s here. Do we get back in the 500s? We are going to go rip new highs. Are we going to rip new highs, chat? Holy. My goodness. My goodness. Did I do anything fun or exciting this weekend? Yes, I went out on the boat. Here, chat. I'm gonna show you. Let me airdrop these to my computer and I'll show you. Hang on. Let's see. Select. Let's see. Hang on, chat. I'll show you. Okay. Boom, chat. Look at that. Look at that sunset, chat. Or sunrise, my bad. Sunrise. This was the sunrise out on the lake yesterday morning. Yesterday morning, went out and did some fishing. Caught 8 bass. 8. That was a good day. It was a good day. And then here is, let's see. One of the bass I caught. He was skinny. Also, he had some like battle scars here, like he'd been in like a fight or something. I don't know. But he was a skinny one, but he was quite long. He was about 15 and a half inches. But a skinny one at that. So, but caught some good fish. Caught about 8 bass. And yeah. For those that say I don't catch fish, suck on that. K. Is K still here? K, you still lurking? I have a feeling you're still lurking. You're listening to my voice in the background. Artificial or live bait. It was the artificials, the Senkos, Yamamoto Senkos. Wacky rig. What a dirty candle here, chat. Holy, what is all this? This is that rollover week price action. My goodness. Holy, chat. What is that? Dirty. Dirty, dirty, dirty. Absolutely filthy. Man, what happened to price, chat? Wow, this really just died. PA really just died. Like, what happened? When are we gonna make trading great again, bro? I'm telling you, man. Holy, I'm right there with you. I really am. I'm there with you. It's brutal in these streets. Holy. Chat, while I have you guys here, we are running a giveaway in Discord for straight to funded accounts. Just so you guys know, we are running a giveaway for straight to funded on Tradeify. All you gotta do is when you buy an account with Tradeify and you use code JM, just send me a screenshot of you using code JM, and that'll enter you for the giveaway. Remember, you have multiple entries too, multiple entries. So if you buy 5 accounts with my code, then that'll give you 5 entries, and we're gonna have multiple winners. So there's not gonna be just one winner; there'll be multiple. But we are gonna do those giveaways. So if you want to, have a chance to win a free account, just make sure to screenshot and send me a DM using that code, and you'll be entered for the giveaway. Speaking of Tradeify, let me put this in the comment section. All right, chat, hang. Give me just a second. Be right back. All right, we're back. Bigger PA will be low volume. Flat as Fed, yep. Maybe. Probably. Chat, hang on one second. Or you come here, actually. All right. We're back. Might get a little loud, chat, because my son's in here. Jan, did the other new rules for TradFi take effect? Yes, they should be. I like them, but they said to wait to get any accounts till after they take effect. Old accounts won't follow new rules. Yeah, everything should be live now. Everything should be live. Market maker, wow, if I can talk. Market maker Mario, holy. What up, dude? You got a redneck? No, don't touch any of that, buddy. That's not yours. Chad, my son's gonna be hanging out with me. He's gonna be running around the office. He did? Yeah. Man, price has really died, chat. We're just doing nothing right now. We are moving and grooving straight up sideways. Sideways. Kind of getting a little wedge pattern going on right here. A little bit of a wedgie wedge. Market giving us a little wedgie. Looking like she wants to go up and retest those highs, chat. Looking like a test of the highs could be in play here. Sorry if it gets loud, chat, because my son's gonna be running around my office screaming and yelling and being loud and being a boy. So apologies. Could get loud. Man, nothing happened on the Nas right now. We are just hovering up here in these 500s, 490s, 500s, trying to make a decision whether we're going to go up and make new highs or not. Volume, chat, look at volume down here. Look how it's just stair step down. Like huge. Big difference here. I wouldn't be surprised if we just slow grind right back to all-time highs. I don't know if we have enough volume to in the markets to really reverse us, chat. I mean, why would we? Volume's been dying, falling off. We don't really have enough volume to really even reverse this. I will not be looking for shorts again. That I will say that. Not in the morning session. Maybe in the afternoon. Maybe we get some better PA in the afternoon. Then we find maybe find a short there, opportunity there. But right now, there's nothing much to really do. Chat, who's trading this? Type 1 if you're trading, type 2 if you're sitting it out. Oh, hang on, Chat. I gotta take this phone call. Hang on. All right. Redneck says, sitting it out. Symphony's taking a few scalps. Bo McCon up 200 on one account and 600 on the other. Holy. You love to see it. You love to see it. Nasdaq slowly working its way above 500s here. Okay. Okay, what you want, girl? Had a streak of red days. About time for a good green day. There you go. There you go. Kay says she's flat. That's okay. That is okay. It's okay to be flat. Nasdaq slow grinding its way up still. Slow grinding its way back to the highs. So far, we've taken one trade. Show you guys a trade that we've taken. What you need? This was the one of the trades that we took. I don't know why it shows like Tradevate has been like really glitching on the contract sizing. It's been showing me trade. We took a short here at 490, got all out at 481, and we kind of just scaled out of it. So we took one trade, one short. We're up just under $200. Not bad. You got the baby today? Yeah, I do. Yeah, he's gonna be running around my office today. Been trading YM past few days. I've been hearing a lot of people trading YM and saying they're enjoying it. Rednex has had a good London session, padded the gains a little on the climb up. Now I watch and wait for the next opportunity to pounce on those dollars. Holy moly. You love to hear it. Absolutely love to hear it. Kay says she's ready to pounce too. Holy. Kay said she's ready to stalk and pounce feline futures. Feline. I find it more relaxing than NQ and scale in and out a bit better. Doing it on the personal, nice. Nice. My son's back here growling like a lion. Y'all couldn't hear that. All right, getting a little bit of a rejection up here in these highs. Another little reject up here. We have 259 contracts sitting at oh wait, my book map. I'm on the wrong contract book map. G-Man, that's what you were talking about if you're still here. I need to get on NQZ on book map. There we go. And then ES, I need to change. Let's see. ESZ5. Okay, let me make sure price is right here for the December ESZ. Okay, 678. Yep, perfect. Okay, sweet. We're in action. Did not realize my book map was on the wrong contract. I haven't really looked at it today. I haven't even really looked at it. Well, we're back to just consolidating up here. Back to consolidating. Once again, I'm still kind of leaning towards shorts, but I don't really want to take it. Don't really want to take it. I think I'm going to sit the rest of the morning out, chat, since we're green in the morning. PA sucks. So bad. Chat it is so bad. We're supposed to get better movement in September, chat. What is this? This is not a normal September. Now we just need to get into October. Forget September. Let's just scratch it and let's just jump to October. Let's just get out of all this bullshit, bro. Holy. Like, chat, I just made a Twitter post just now. I'm sure you guys can agree with me. There you go. This is my post of the day right here. Just now made it, chat. This market is ass. I mean, just horrible. We need Trump to go back on a tariff and China spree. That's what we need. That's what we need, chat. CPA is still blah. I was literally just talking about that. It's garbage. It is so bad. So bad. This PA is just absolutely horrible. My goodness. Won't prove after OPEX? Maybe. Hopefully. What up, ST? Hopefully. We need something to improve because this is just bad. Probably after FOMC. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking too. FOMC on Wednesday. Maybe it improves afterwards. Maybe. Just maybe. Well, you know how it goes, Joey. Stop the stream and the market will move. That's factuals. That's factual statements right there. The moment I stop stream, bro, you're gonna get 100-point rippers. Guaranteed. Guaranteed. I don't know what direction, but you're gonna get a massive move. Maybe I'm the market maker. Maybe I make the markets with my stream. Chat, am I the market maker? Excuse me. Allergies, chat. Allergies, holy. Allergies are on one today. All right, chat. Fuck this PA, dude. I'm going to call it a morning. We're up on the day. I'm going to call it a morning. We're going to come back this afternoon, chat. We'll be live around 12 p.m. Central Time. Remember, we are doing a giveaway for Tradeify straight to funded accounts. If you use code JM on Tradeify, send me a DM with in Discord using code JM, and that'll enter you for a straight to funded giveaway. We are doing multiple entries. So if you buy 5 accounts, you get 5 entries. There are going to be multiple winners as well. So If you want to get involved with that, use code JM, send me a screenshot. You'll have a big chance at winning a straight to funded account with TradeFi. So be ready for that. Join up on Discord, link in the description. Get 30% off with TradeFi code JM, link in the description as well, fam. I will see you guys this afternoon. The moment I end stream chat, you know PA is going to move. Get ready for it. Have your trigger fingers ready on the buy or sell or whatever it's going to be, because you know it's coming, baby.